Hi, let's try this question. This question is taken from SPM 2022, Paper 1, Section A, and it is from your Form 5 at Math, Chapter 5, Probability Distribution. Now let's look at Part A. Diagram 3 shows the standard normal distribution graph. So we have a standard normal distribution graph. On the diagram 3, shade a region to represent this. Okay, modulus, before solving this one, you have to understand this. If let's say modulus x is less than or equal to a, so this means that x is greater than or equal to negative a, less than or equal to a. Let me give you an example. Let's say I have modulus x less than or equal to 3. Okay, so it means that x is greater than or equal to negative 3, less than or equal to 3. Now, I will just focus on integer so that easier for me to explain to you. Let's just focus on integer. So it will be, according to the range here, it will be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? So try to think. If you plug in all this value into here, is that correct? Modulus of negative 3 is equal to 3, right? So 3 equal to 3, correct. So if you plug in this one, negative 2 inside here, modulus negative 2, you get 2 less than 3, correct, right? Okay, now I think you should be able to understand this one. So how about if we have modulus x greater than or equal to 8? So this one we have to separate them. So it will become x is less than or equal to negative 8, or x is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say modulus x greater than or equal to 8, equal to 3, let's say. So according to these rules, then it will be x is less than or equal to negative 3, or x is greater than or equal to 3. Try to think, is this correct? Negative 3 can be less than or equal to negative 3. It can be negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. When you apply all the value here inside here, you will get a correct answer. Correct. This inequality is correct, right? Modulus of negative 3 is equal to 3, equal to 3, right? Modulus of negative 4 equal to 4, greater than 3. Modulus of negative 5 is equal to 5, greater than 3. So how about this one? This one I think should be no problem. It can be 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. You plug in all this value inside here, you will still get the correct inequality. Okay, so now the question is talking about this one. Probability of modulus z greater than or equal to 8. So I'm going to break this into two parts like this. So or, it means plus together. So P, probability for z less than or equal to negative a, or plus probability for z greater than or equal to 8. Now, we don't have to find the value. The question just asks us to shade the region. So the region that we need to shade is here, less than or equal to negative a, which is here. Oh. And greater than or equal to a here. Okay, this is the answer for part A. Now let's look at part B. Diagram 4 shows the standard normal distribution graph, which is divided into three equal parts. So for the first part here, we want to find the value of k. 3 equal parts, it means that here will be 1 over 3, here will be 1 over 3, here will be 1 over 3. So we have region A, region B, and region C. Okay, first part, we want to find the value of k. Probability for z is greater than or equal to k is equal to 1 over 3. So you take out your calculator, 1 over 3. I just convert it, 1 over 3, convert it to decimal, it will be 0.33333. Keep on repeating the 3. Right? So I just round off it to 4 decimal places, 0.3333. Okay. So this is 0.3333. So now I want to get the answer inside the parentheses. So I need to start from inside. go to your standard normal distribution table, start from inside. We are looking for this one, 0.3333. Looking for this. Okay, so here, this is the nearest one. We need, but this is 0.3336. We need to minus 3. So try to look at here. Do we have 3? No, don't have. So we just choose it, the one which is nearest. So I will choose 4. So the answer will be 0.431. 0.431. Okay, k is equal to 0.431. This is the answer for part 1. Let's say if you want to use your calculator to help you, you can do it this way. So if you are using calculator, press this menu and search for distribution. Now, okay, then go for inverse normal. Okay, the area, but you have to be more careful if you are using calculator, because the area here is less than or equal to. It means that, let's say you want to get the value of k, right? K over here. So you need to key in the area here. So for example, for this situation, I need to key in 2 over 3. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 will be 2 over 3. And this is standard normal distribution. The standard deviation will be 1. The mean will be equal to 0. Okay. 0.431. Another way to get the answer is, let's say you don't want to key in 2 over 3. You want to key in 1 over 3. You can do it this way. Now just focus on this part. This part. From here, I know that property for z less than or equal to negative k is equal to 0.3333, which is 1 over 3. Since I'm using calculator, I just use 1 over 3. Okay, then I press my calculator. 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay, standard deviation, correct. 1, mean is equal to 0. Okay, no problem. Okay, negative 0.431. Negative 0.431. And then we compare this one and this one. Negative k is equal to negative 0.431. So from here, we can cancel the negative sign, both sides. So we know that k is equal to 0.431. Okay, both this all method give you the same answer. Okay, this is the way how we get the answer for part 1. Now let's go to part 2. Second part, we want to find the mode for part A, means the region A here. So we just focus on here, this region. So you know, right, mode is the data which has the highest frequency, but the problem is here we don't see any frequency here. So this is the density of the probability distribution. When it's you can imagine this way. Let's say if you draw a lot of histogram over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's say if you draw a lot of histogram over here, this one is the tallest one will be here, right? So the mode for part A, tallest histogram will be here, is negative k. So just now we got the answer, k is equal to 0.431, right? K is equal to 0.431. So the mode will be negative 0.431. Why negative? Because this is negative k, right? Okay, so this is the answer for second part.